Hey everybody, this is Ryan Harris with Purdue Extension in Spencer County, and today we are going to do a tornado in a jar experiment. So for this experiment, you guys will only need a few different things. I have a jar that's a little over halfway full of water, and it's actually the same jar that I used in the cloud in a jar experiments. And then you guys will also need some dish soap and some vinegar. And then besides that, you guys can use any color food coloring that you want. I have blue food coloring right there, but you guys are also welcome to use glitter or maybe even scraps of paper just to make your tornado a little more colorful and a little more decorative. The only things you need to do to prepare your tornado in a jar is put a teaspoon each of dish soap and white vinegar into our jar of water. And then I only put 1 drop of our food coloring in the jar just so the water wasn't too dark. And then all you'll need to do is make sure the jar lid is tight just so nothing spills. And then you guys can swirl it around to form the vortex of the tornado. But first, before we do that, we're going to talk a little bit about how tornadoes are formed. Tornadoes are usually formed from a high-pressure storm system called a supercell. And also part of the supercell are high winds, which will eventually combine to form a tornado. So when hot air from the ground rises up to meet the cool air from the clouds, a tornado will form given that the winds are high enough. So all you need to do is take your jar by the lid and then swirl it around just like this and wait for your vortex to form. And if you swirl it enough, you can even get it to touch the bottom of the jar. And that's all you need to do to form a tornado in a jar. So have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you soon for more videos.